डियर स्टूडेंट्स अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कोऑर्डिनेट जियोमेट्री में हम आज आएंगे एक्सरसाइज नंबर 7.1 पर। और इससे पहले हमने डिराइव की है फार्मूला जिसको हम कहते हैं डिस्टेंस फार्मूला। इस फार्मूला के ज़रिए से हम डिस्टेंस निकालेंगे बिटवीन एनी टू पॉइंट्स हुज कोऑर्डिनेट्स आर गिवन। और हमारे पास दो पॉइंट्स हैं P एंड Q विद कोऑर्डिनेट्स x1 y1 एंड x2 y2। Then distance between these 2 points will be given by PQ, that will be square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This formula is known as distance formula. We will use it to find the distance between any 2 points during the course of the exercise number 7.1. Now if you have a point O, that is origin, with coordinates 0, 0 and any point with coordinates x and y, if P is a point with coordinate x and y and O is the origin, then distance between a point P and the origin will be given by OP, where O is the origin of the coordinate system, is given by x square plus y square, that is coordinate sum of squares of coordinates of the point with the square root over 8. That is OP is equal to square root of x square plus y square, because instead of x2 or any other, the other coordinates of the other point is 0, 0. So I have to remember these two formulae in order to solve the exercise. Now let's come to the question number 1 of the exercise. That is, we have to find the distance between 2 pointers whose coordinates are 2, 3 and 4, 1. Now let's name the points first. Let the given points be A and B. Let A has coordinates 2, 3 and B has coordinates 4, 1. Now we have to find the distance between these 2 pointers जिनको हमने नाम ए और बी दिया है। क्योंकि इनके नाम नहीं थे, पॉइंट्स के कोऑर्डिनेट दिए गए थे, हमने इनको ए और बी से पुकारा है। नाउ लेट्स find distance between these 2 points. Now distance between these 2 points will be given by distance formula, that is AB will be equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, as we had derived earlier. Now instead of x1 we have 2, instead of y1 we have 3, and instead of x2 we have 4, and instead of y2 we have 1. So x1 is 2, y1 is 3, x2 is 4, y2 is 1. Now we will substitute the values for these coordinates in the formula. We will get 4 minus 2 whole square plus 1 minus 3 whole square. 4 minus 2 means 2 square and 1 minus 3 means minus 2 square. Now square root of it will become square root of 4 plus 4, that will become square root of 8. Now we know square root of 8 is all nothing but 2 times square root of 2. So the distance between these 2 points will be twice square root of 2. So in this way we got the distance between these 2 pointers. Now let's try another part of the question, that is we have to find the distance between any other 2 pointers. Now the third part of the question is that we have to find the distance between 2 points A, B and minus A minus B. Now the coordinates of the points are A, B and minus A minus B. Let us call these 2 points as P and Q. Now P and Q are 2 points with coordinates A, B and minus A minus B. Now by using distance formula we will find the distance between these 2 points, and is given by PQ. Now PQ is the distance between these 2 points with coordinates A, B and minus A minus B. We use the distance formula as we used earlier, that is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now we have x1 is equal to A and y1 is equal to B. Similarly x2 is equal to minus and y2 is equal to minus B. Now we will use these values for the coordinates in the formula. We will get PQ will be equal to square root of minus A whole square plus minus B whole square. Minus A means minus twice A whole square, and minus B whole square means minus twice B whole square. Now this power will be distributed to the both the factors. Over here we have at factor is minus 2, that is it will become minus 2 square and A square. Similarly over here the power will be distributed to the both the factors, that is minus 2 square and b square. We know minus 2 square is always equal to 4, and we get 4a square plus 4 times b square. Now 4 will is the common factor in both the terms, so it will become square root of 4 times a square plus b square. Now square root can be separately used on both the factors. Now we have square root of 4 into square root of a square plus b square. And we know that square root of 4 is 2, and we will get square root 2 times square root of a square plus b square. So 2 times square root of a square plus b square is the distance between these 2 points p and q, whose coordinates were a, b, and minus a minus v. So in this way we can calculate the distance between 2 pointers using the distance formula.